Now we're going to look at what happens when we have a negative times a positive, or a negative times a negative. Here we're going to look at a film of a person walking backwards, okay, and we're running that film forwards, normal speed. Okay, so they're walking backwards, let's say 1 kilometer per hour. Not that people walk at 1 kilometer per hour, they usually walk around 5 kilometers per hour, but anyways. So we have a person walking backwards at 1 kilometer an hour, and we run that film forward. We expect to see a person walking backwards, right? So let's see that.
Hello, I'm walking backwards in the park, and it's a beautiful day. La la la.
Okay, that makes sense. And if we run that backwards at double speed, if we run the film with the person walking backwards, if we run it forwards at double speed, we'll see the person walking backwards twice as fast. Okay. Okay, now what happens if we run the film of a person walking backwards and we run the film backwards? Well, we should expect to see the person going forwards. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that makes sense. So you get that? You have a film of a person walking backwards, and we're running that film backwards. So we have, let's say they're walking backwards at -1 kilometer per hour. We run it backwards. We will see them going forwards at 1 kilometer per hour. Isn't that neat? Let's see that again. Okay. So let's take the film of the person walking backwards, and we're going to at 1 kilometer per hour, and we're going to run that backwards at double speed, and we expect to see them going forwards at 2 kilometers an hour, or forwards twice as fast. And there we are. They're going twice as fast, and they're going forwards. Ta-da! Okay, so now we see that a positive, when the signs are the same, you're multiplying, you get positive. When the signs are the same and you're multiplying, you get positive. Okay, negative times a negative, positive. Okay, when the signs are different and you're multiplying, you get negative. When the signs are the same and you're multiplying, you get positive. And it's the same rule for dividing and the same rule for signs beside each other. And that's it. Have a good day.